Welcome you all on Tech Special Information. In this video I am going to discuss if you are the student or pass out student of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, which is formally known as WBUT. So how to get the transcript or how to get the duplicate grade card. Suppose you have lost your grade card, I mean the mark sheet of semester, and if you lost your degree certificate, how you can get these documents, and I will also discuss how to get the transcript and how to get the hard copy of provisional certificate. If you are the 2020 pass out student, you have received the soft copy of provisional certificate from the MacOut site, but you don't have received the hard copy of provisional certificate. So you also can receive the hard copy of provisional certificate. What are the procedures? I am going to discuss everything in this video. Okay, see here, this is the notice published by MacOut University. For transcript, it will be issued within 21 working days. Okay, the fees is 500 per grade card, and for duplicate grade card fees 500 rupees, and for duplicate grade card urgent issue, I mean you will receive within a short time period, within 7 days. In that case you have to pay 800 rupees. Okay, and duplicate certificate you have to pay 1000 rupees, and for provisional certificate you have to pay 200 rupees only. Okay, now how to apply I am going to show you. Go to this site, open this site, not macoutexam.net, go to this site, macoutwb.ac.in. okay, now scroll down, transcript. Okay, click here on transcript. Okay, this is the site. From here you can apply. This is the notice which I have shown you previously. You can see the steps for applying transcript. From here you can download how to apply for transcript, steps for applying duplicate grade card, also steps for apply online verification. Now come here. If you want to apply for transcript is the whole report within the 4 year or within the 3 years degree what you have performed in your grade in each and every subject, and also your CGPA, semester grade point average, and YGPA and DGPA, everything will be mentioned on transcript. Okay, and if you apply transcript from this official website, you will receive the transcript through the speed post. Okay, you can put your home address, and to your home address it will be delivered. Okay, as the students are telling, within 7 days you will get the transcript. You have to click here. I have read and understood the above instruction. Now click on apply. This is the form here. Okay, apply for, you have to click here on others. Okay, see here, digital copy and courier service. You have to click here courier service. Okay, you will, if you want to receive the hard copy of transcript by speed post, you have to click here on courier service. Now you have to fill this form. Applicant's name, you have to put your name, university registration number, university roll number. Okay, and year of registration, college or institute name, year of passing, and address for communication. You have to be very careful when you will go to fill this. Okay, put the correct address, otherwise you may not receive the transcript. Okay, you have to put the correct address here, your mobile number, applicant's email ID, and course name. Okay, suppose you have completed your BTech degree on computer science and engineering, so you have to write here BTech in computer science and engineering here, and course duration 3 year or 4 year, and present status of the candidate, presently what you are doing, higher study or any job, you have to mention here. Okay, so in this way you can apply for transcript. And if you want to apply for the duplicate grade card, you can apply from here also. Okay, procedure is almost same. After filling the form, another form will open where you have to put your address and you have to pay the required fees. Okay, I have already shown you for which certificate you have to pay how much fees. Okay, so if you fill the form from the official site, you can receive the transcript, duplicate grade card and duplicate degree certificate in your home via courier service or speed post service. Okay, but if you want the provisional certificate hard copy, you have to visit the MAKAUT campus, MAKAUT Salt Lake office. You have to go there. Now I am going to show you the procedure for provisional certificate. For provisional certificate, you have to go to this site, makautexam.net. Okay, and click here application and notice. Here is the application for provisional certificate. Okay, click on here, download. A form will be downloaded. So this is the form for provisional certificate. You have to fill it here. I beg to apply for. Here you have to put for how many number of provisional copies you are applying. Okay, normally you can apply for one copy. You have to write one here, and name in capital letter, your course name, BTech or BCA, year of admission, university registration number, university roll number, college institute name, year of passing, and present status of the candidate. Presently what you are doing, job or higher study, anything. Now you have to fill your CGPA. Okay, CGPA for first semester, second semester, and at this block, in case of second semester, you have to write YGPA here, and beside the fourth semester you also have to write the YGPA for 6 and for 8 also. You have to mention your DGPA here, and here you have to sign, and you have to mention the date. And for the application of provisional certificate, you require all the mark sheet Xerox copies. Okay, and you have to visit the MAKAUT Salt Lake campus. Remember, don't go to the Horengata campus, you have to go to the Salt Lake campus. The address is mentioned here, BF 142 Salt Lake Sector 1, Kolkata. Okay, this is near about the Ultodanga railway station. Okay, so after visiting the campus, you have to bring this form, this field form, and all semester Xerox copy of your grade card, and then you have to fill a challan form in the MAKAUT campus. They will provide you the challan form, and the bank is there in the MAKAUT campus. You have to pay 200 rupees there, and within that day you will receive the hard copy of provisional certificate. You have to wait some time there. Okay, and if you have any query regarding this, you can ask me in the comment box section. Thank you.